Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture on exporting data to GIS and CAD software. After drone images have been processed and mapping outputs are generated, the next step is exporting the data to other professional software tools. In many real-world projects, the maps and models created from drone surveys are used inside GIS and CAD software for deeper analysis, engineering design, and project planning. Exporting the data correctly ensures that the drone survey results can be integrated into larger workflows used by surveyors, engineers, and planners. Let's explore how this process works, understanding GIS and CAD systems. Before exporting data, it is helpful to understand the difference between GIS and CAD software. GIS, or Geographic Information Systems, used for managing and analyzing geographic data. GIS platforms allow users to study spatial patterns, combine multiple datasets, perform geographic analysis. These systems are commonly used for tasks such as environmental monitoring, land management, urban planning, and infrastructure mapping. CAD, or computer aided design software, typically used for engineering design and technical drawing. Engineers and architects use CAD software to create detailed plans for roads, buildings, utilities, and construction projects. Drone survey data can be extremely valuable in both GIS and CAD environments because it provides accurate visual and elevation information about real world locations. Types of data that can be exported. Drone mapping software can export several types of data that are compatible with GIS and CAD systems. Some of the most common exported files include orthomosaic maps. These high resolution aerial maps are often exported as georeferenced image files. Point clouds. 3D point cloud data can be exported for detailed surface analysis. Digital surface models. Elevation models that include buildings and vegetation. Digital terrain models. Bare earth elevation models used for terrain analysis. 3D mesh models. Three-dimensional models used for visualization and engineering analysis. These files are exported in specialized formats that allow GIS and CAD software to recognize the geographic coordinates and elevation data. Maintaining geographic accuracy. When exporting survey data, it is important to preserve the coordinate system and georeferencing information. Georeference data ensures that the drone map aligns correctly with other datasets such as satellite imagery, engineering plans, or government mapping systems. If the coordinate system is not properly maintained, the data may appear shifted or misaligned when imported onto other software platforms. Using drone data in professional workflows. Once exported, the drone survey data can be used for many professional tasks including measuring distances and land areas, designing infrastructure layouts, analyzing terrain slopes and drainage, monitoring construction progress, planning land development projects. This integration allows drone surveying to become a powerful data source for modern engineering and geographic analysis. Exporting drone survey data to GIS and CAD software is a crucial step that allows aerial mapping results to be used in real world decision making and design processes. By ensuring proper formatting and geographic alignment, drone data can be seamlessly integrated into professional workflows. In the next section of the course, we will explore how to analyze drone survey data using measuring distances, areas, and volumes directly from aerial maps and models.